Hi, this is Ziyan Chen. I'm presenting the creative work of my term project. The achievement I made is that I had a search bar is implemented. A user can search for products based on product name. As a user, I want to search through the product list so that I can find my desired product quickly. Acceptance criteria. A search bar is displayed on the top of the home page. A user can type in keywords in the text area of the search bar. Upon clicking the search button, any product whose name matches one of the keywords is displayed. The search bar is on the top. If I add search for cow, then the cow is displayed. And if I search for moose and cow, then I will retrieve both. This is available on the admin, and it's also available on the regular user. But if I type in something that, say if I search cow, then it can show there. But if I search something that is not there in the product list, it says no product matches the keyword pick. That's all I have. Thank you.